Your YouTube short is cruising past 20,000 views, and all of a sudden, it dies. And this has happened for a number of your shorts. Keep watching to find possible ways of fixing this issue of YouTube shorts being jailed at around 30,000 views. 1. Put a little more effort. 30,000 view jail in YouTube shorts means your channel is waiting to blow up. So keep uploading, so that when your shorts finally explode, it is massive. 2. Make the stats stronger. You are in the 30,000 view jail because your short stats are good. So try to make them excellent, especially the viewed to swiped away ratio and the average view duration. 3. Try the trends in your niche. Most people follow the trends, so find what is trending in your niche and create a few shorts about it. Try also the trending songs and templates available when uploading your shorts. 4. Get someone big to share your shorts. If you are making shorts about popular people, try to get their attention. They may share your shorts or channel on their social accounts, making you go viral. And with that, I hope you can work on something to make your YouTube shorts go past 30,000 views. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tips on creating content on YouTube.